I know many of you tuning in right now are grappling with that familiar feeling of being stuck in life. You have these grand goals, dreams, and aspirations, but the path to achieving them seems elusive. Well, today, I've got something that might just be the game changer you've been searching for. We're diving into the realm of systematic self-improvement techniques, strategies that can truly transform your life. If that is you, I need you to listen very closely to the rest of this video. Because in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can reclaim back your life using the dopamine detox. Now, real quick, let me tell you the first place that you probably suck, because most people think that they lack energy or they lack knowledge, aka the know-how, and that is why they are not where they want to be in life. Concept 1, the power of focus, dopamine, detox. Let's kick things off by addressing a fundamental truth. It's not about lacking energy or knowledge, it's about lacking focus. Focus is the magic ingredient that turns aspirations into reality. Think about it. When you're a person with intense focus, acquiring knowledge becomes a breeze. So how do you cultivate this focus? That's where the dopamine detox comes into play. In this age of information overload, most people find themselves drowning in distractions. Visualize the average desk, 3 different devices, a constant stream of notifications, and social media feeds that never sleep. It's chaos. Now let me share a personal insight. One of the keys to my success, hitting $10 million by the age of 21, was focus. I'm a firm believer in the power of simplicity. I've always operated with just one monitor, one screen, ensuring that only the essential window is open. Anything not in use, closed. This strategy keeps distractions at bay and paves the way for unparalleled focus. Concept 2, unseen virtues, the new Renaissance men. Shifting gears to a profound aspect of self-improvement that transcends the conventional checkboxes. Being a top 1% individual. It's not just about health and wealth, it's about character, those subtle nuances that genuinely define greatness. I've encountered countless individuals who check all the boxes of success yet fall short when it comes to genuine character. The first concept I want to introduce is refraining from self-proclaiming high value. The truly exceptional individuals, the new Renaissance men, don't boast about their status. They embody it effortlessly. You won't catch figures like Drake or Brad Pitt declaring their high value in casual conversations. They exude integrity, honor, and substance in their actions. In day-to-day life, I prefer describing an exceptional man as someone with character, someone of substance. It's about being, not just doing. In this video, I'm unveiling 3 concepts that these exceptional men live by. It's about the subtleties, the character traits that make a lasting impact. These are the principles that elevate individuals from the mundane to the extraordinary. Concept 3, mastering time, the war for your attention. Now let's tackle a harsh reality, New Year's resolutions. We all want to make 2024 our year, but statistically, only 9% of us will succeed. Why? Because there's an ongoing war for your time. Multi-billion-dollar enterprises are waging this war, and they won't stop until they win. They want every last second of your attention. Recent research, published in Science magazine, reveals a shocking statistic. We spend almost half of our days with our minds straying from the tasks we should be focusing on. That's nearly half of your day lost to unfocused thinking. Now think about your phone, a tool that's turned into a master, stealing over 17.5% of your day. If this trajectory continues, you'll spend over 1/3 of your entire life staring at a screen. It's time for a reality check. Are you going to be known as the guy who's an expert at scrolling through memes? Is that the legacy you want? The average person now spends 30% more time on their phone than before. In just a few years, your phone has gone from stealing 12% of your entire day to over 17.5% today. I'm urging you to take these concepts and philosophies and weave them into the fabric of your life. Remember, the journey of self-improvement is ongoing, and each step you take today shapes the person you become tomorrow. Make every moment count, stay focused, and stay true to your path. Until next time, keep evolving, keep growing, and make 2024 your year of transformation.